Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, let me start. Greetings to everyone. Good afternoon. First of all, thank you for taking time to accommodate me and listen to my presentation today. I truly appreciate your attention and participation. My name is Shane Michael Ugas, and my matrix number is 240303229. I am currently pursuing my Master of Science in Occupational Safety and Health at UNIMAS. Today, I'm here to present my work as part of the assignment requirement for the course KMO6073 Occupational Safety and Health Law, which is supervised by Mr. Abdul Halim bin Hashim. Before I dive into the details of the presentation, I would like to take this opportunity to invite the management representative of D3F Enterprise to introduce yourself. So with that, I would like to cordially invite the manager of the 3F Enterprise to say a few words. Please, the floor is yours.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to
Good
thank
afternoon.
Shane for this opportunity and for the presentation today. My name is Madam Samantha Tuba, and together with me is Madam Julita, the supervisor of the D3F Enterprise Minima. I've been with the D3F Enterprise since 2017, so I've had the pleasure of being part of the company for the past 8 years. D3F Enterprise was established in 2011, and we have been serving the local community in Kuching, Sarawak ever since. We specialize in retail trade with our mini mart offering a wide range of products, including groceries, household items, and other daily necessities. We aim to be a convenient one-stop shop for the residents in the area. In addition to retail, we also offer complementary services like canopy rentals, event management, and catering, which help us cater to various needs of our customers and set us apart in the market. Currently, our team consists of 8 staff members, and we are continuously working to improve our offerings and services to meet the changing demands of the community. For the purpose of this presentation, and I am happy to share that Shane has chosen D3F Enterprise Minimart in the retail trade sector as a case study to discuss the application of occupational safety and health (OSH) legislation and how it impacts our operations. With that, thank you once again.
All right, thank you, Madam Samantha, for the very insightful introduction. Also, nice meeting you, Madam Julita, sitting next to Madam Samantha. Without further ado, let me start my presentation. Let me share with you the slide first. All right, can you see the slide?
Yes.
Thank you. So this is the company profile of the D3F Enterprise that I obtained from you earlier. So the organization type is a small and medium enterprise, or also known as SME. The registration number is 88217 under the ordinance Nama-Nama Perniagaan PAP 64. The full address is at lot 10229, River Edge Commercial Center, Jalan Datuk Patinggi Haji Abdul Rahman Yaakob, Kuching. Next, the industry type is the retail trade, premise own or managed shop and office, premise ownership rent. Is the premise is a designated premise under the Fire Services Act 1988. the information that I obtained from you earlier is no. Product and service, canopy services. Number 2, retail trade. Number 3, event management services, and the catering. So for the purpose of this assignment, I chose retail trade. Other places of work where employees work, no. Number of staff, permanent staff is 8 employees. Main business operation or activities, sell consumer goods in physical stores and online platforms, manage inventory to ensure stock availability and reduce wastage, provide customer service to assist shoppers and handle inquiries, process transactions using point of sale systems, display merchandise attractively to enhance customer experience, implement marketing strategies to promote products and increase sales, negotiate with suppliers to secure favorable terms and prices, maintain store cleanliness and ensure a pleasant shopping environment, and train staff to improve service quality and operational efficiency. List plant with certificate of fitness? No. List of hazardous chemical? No. No LPG or LNG gas installation in the shop. Radioactive material used in the shop? No. List of contractors? The company use Peace Air Conditioning sales and service. The contract for the contractors is air conditioning installation and repair activities. This is the license of D3F Enterprise. Location of D3F Enterprise as shown here. So this photo was taken last 2 weeks, I believe, with the manager, Madam Samantha. This photo was taken inside the mini mart, inside the shop, together with the supervisor, Madam Julita, and Madam Samantha, the manager. So next, I will present on the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 and OSH Amendment Act 2022. The objective of this presentation is to raise awareness about the occupational safety and health OSH legislation in Malaysia, specifically the Occupational Safety and Health 1994 Amendment 2022, and how it applies to your business operations. As an SME, D3F enterprise is required to comply with certain legal requirements to ensure the safety, health, and welfare of employees. Compliance with this law not only protects your team, but also minimizes legal risks and enhances overall business operation. So under the Section 4, General Duties of Employers, that is Section 15, the first section we will discuss is Section 15 of the OSHA 1994, Amendment 2022. This section outlines the general duties of employers towards ensuring the safety, health, and welfare of their employees. Requirement summary: employers must ensure safe work systems, plant, and equipment, provide training, instruction, and supervision to employees, maintain a safe working environment with safe access and egress. Why compliance is needed? As an employer, the 3F enterprise is legally obligated to provide a safe working environment for employees. This reduces the likelihood of accidents and legal liabilities and promotes employee well-being and productivity. Next is the Section 4, duty to formulate OSH policy under the Section 16, sorry. Section 16 requires employers to formulate and regularly revise a written occupational safety and health OSH policy. This policy must be communicated to employees. The requirement summary: draft a general policy regarding OSH, revise the policy when needed, and inform employees. Why compliance is needed? Okay, as you can see from the qualifier there. And OSH policy ensures that your employees understand the company's commitment to safety. It helps prevent confusion during accidents or emergencies and establishes clear safety protocols. Next is the duties of employers to person other than employees under the Section 17. Section 17 mandates employers to ensure that their actions do not expose non-employees, for example, such as customers and visitors, to health and safety risks. Requirement summary: employers must conduct their operations in a way that protects non-employees from risks, provide necessary safety information to non-employees who may be affected. Why compliance is needed? Okay, from here you can see the qualifier here, why compliance is needed. By protecting not only employees, but also customers and visitors, D3F Enterprise ensures a safer environment for everyone interacting with your business. This helps build customer trust and avoids legal actions from external parties. Okay, duties of occupiers under the Section 18. Section 18 outlines the duties of occupiers of workplaces to ensure the safety and health of people other than employees who enter the premises. The requirement summary here, you can see from the requirement here, I just provide the summary. Occupiers must ensure the safety of their premises, including access, egress, and any substances used at the workplace. Why compliance is needed? As occupier of your business premises, D3F Enterprise is responsible for the safety of all visitors, customers, and clients. Non-compliance could lead to accidents or injuries that could harm your reputation and result in financial penalties. Next is the Section 18A, duties of principals. Section 18A requires employers, that is, as principal, to ensure the safety and health of contractors, subcontractors, and their employees while working for the principal. The requirement summary: employers must ensure that contractors, subcontractors, and their employees are protected from safety and health risks. Why compliance is needed? D3F Enterprise works with contractors such as air conditioning services. Ensuring their safety on site is crucial to prevent accidents and uphold the business's reputation for responsible business practices. So you can see here, Peace Air Conditioning Sales and Services for air conditioning service at D3F Enterprise Minimart Kuching. Next is the general duties of manufacturers, etc., as regards substances for use at work under the Section 21. Focuses on the responsibility of manufacturers and suppliers to ensure that substances used at work are safe. The requirement summary: manufacturers and suppliers must ensure that substances, for example, cleaning chemicals, are safe for use. Provide adequate information about the safety of these substances. Why compliance is needed? Since D3F Enterprise supplies cleaning chemicals, ensuring that these substances are safe prevents health risks to both employees and customers. It also protects the business from liability related to harmful products. So the qualifier here from this requirement of Section 21, the company shall comply with this section because they import and supply cleaning chemicals and disinfectant products for sale and in-house use at D3F Enterprise Minimart. As such, the organization is responsible for ensuring that all such substances are safe and without risk to health when used at the workplace. Next is the Section 24, General Duties of Employees at Work. Section 24 emphasizes that the responsibilities of employees to take reasonable care of their own safety and health, as well as that to others. Requirement summary: employees must take care of their own safety, number one. Number two, employees must cooperate with employers in ensuring workplace safety. Why compliance is needed? Employees are equally responsible for maintaining safety. Encouraging staff to follow safety protocols reduces the risk of accidents and ensure compliance with legal obligation. All right, section 26 in the next slide. Okay, section 26 is about the duty not to charge employees. Section 26 prohibits employers from charging employees for anything related to occupational health and safety measures, such as personal protective equipment. The requirement summary: employers must provide necessary safety measures at no cost to employees. Why compliance is needed? Okay, from the qualifier here, ensuring that safety measures are provided at no cost helps create a fair work environment and shows the company commitment to employee safety. Okay, the organization shall comply to this section because, number one, they are within the scope of application as Section 1 of OSH Amendment Act 2022. Number two, they meet the definition of employer in Section 3 of OSH Amendment Act 2022, in which the definition of employer means any person who has entered into a contract of service to employ any other persons as an employee. And lastly, number three, the employee meet the definition of employee in Section number 3 of OSH Amendment 2022 Act, in which the definition of employee means any person who has entered into a contract of service with an employer. Okay, next is the rights of employees. Okay, under Section 26A. Section 26A grants employees the right to remove themselves from a dangerous work environment if they believe there is an imminent risk to their health or safety. The requirement summary: employees can live unsafe work conditions and report the danger to their employer. Why compliance is needed? This provision empowers employees to act in their own best interest, preventing accident. It also highlights the importance of safe working environment that employees feel confident in. Okay, next on the section 27, discrimination against employee, etc. Section 27 prohibits employers from discriminating against employees who raise safety concerns or participate in safety committees. The requirement summary: employees must not face discrimination in safety committees. Employees must not face discrimination for reporting safety issues. Why compliance is needed? This ensures a transparent safety culture where employees feel safe reporting issues without fear or retaliation. It promotes a positive work environment and reduces legal risks. Next, the Section 28A, no action against occupational health service providers. Section 28A prevents employers from taking action against employees who report health risks related to occupational diseases. Requirement summary: employees must be protected from retaliation when reporting health concerns. Why compliance is needed? This encourages employees to report occupational health concern, which ultimately leads to early detection and prevention of workplace health issues. Okay. From requirement here, no employer shall take any action against any person who carries out an occupational health service for A, making a complaint about any matter which is considered as a risk to health, or B, making a report to the Director General regarding any patient whom he believed to be suffering from any occupational disease or occupational poisoning. Okay. Next is section 29, Occupational Safety and Health Coordinator. Section 29A requires employers with 5 or more employees to appoint an occupational safety and health coordinator. The requirement summary: appoint an OSH coordinator to oversee safety issues. Why compliance is needed? D3F enterprise at 8 employees, meaning an OSH coordinator must be appointed. Okay, I repeat, D3F Enterprise has 8 employees, meaning an OSH coordinator must be appointed. This ensures that safety and health measures are consistently implemented. Next is section 32, notification of accidents, dangerous occurrence, occupational poisoning, and occupational diseases and inquiry. Section 32 mandates employers to report accidents or dangerous occurrences to nearest OSH office. Requirement summary: notify the authorities of any workplace accidents. Why compliance is needed? By reporting accident, you ensure that investigations can take place to prevent future incidents. It also protects the business from potential legal issue arising from unreported accidents. Okay, last section under the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 and OSH Amendment Act 2022 is the section 34A, duties of the owner, occupier, etc. in inquiry. Section 34A covers the duties of owner, occupier, and employer in relation to providing assistance during an inquiry under the OSH Act. Requirement summary: the owner or occupier of a place of work and any employees must assist in inquiries related to workplace incidents, accidents, or safety issues. Why compliance is needed? D3F Enterprise must cooperate fully with any inquiries that may be conducted by the authorities, ensuring that the company demonstrates transparency and responsibility. This helps in identifying root causes of incidents, preventing them from recurring, and showcasing the company's commitment to safety. So the next slide will be one of the act that we use other than the Occupational Safety and Health Act, that is the Employees Social Security Act 1969. Okay, let's now turn our attention to the Employees Social Security Act 1969. This section of the law is crucial for ensuring that employees are protected in the event of workplace accidents or occupational diseases. We will now specifically discuss Section 5, which outlines the duty of employers to register employees with the Social Security organization, also known as SOCSO. Under Section 5 in bracket 1 in bracket 2 of the Employees Social Security Act, all employees in industries covered by the Act, regardless of their wages, must be insured with SOCSO. This insurance covers accident and occupational diseases. Why compliance is needed? As an employer with 8 employees, D3F Enterprise is required to register all of your employees with SOCSO. This is a vital legal responsibility that ensures your employees are covered for accident or occupational illnesses that may occur during their work. Non-compliance could result in penalties or legal action, and more importantly, it leaves employees vulnerable in the event of an accident or injury, which can have serious financial implications for both the employee and the business. By complying with SOCSO registration, the company D3F Enterprise, demonstrate the commitment to the employees' health and safety, which help in building trust and loyalty. It also contributes to a responsible and legally compliant business operation. To summarize, ensuring all employees are registered with SOCSO is not just a legal requirement, but an important aspect of employee welfare. It provides essential protection for your employees and helps safeguard businesses against potential legal liabilities. I encourage D3F Enterprise to review your employee registration with SOCSO to ensure full compliance and protection for all team members. In conclusion, complying with this section of the OSH Act, together with the Employee Social Act, Security Act 1969, ensures that the 3F enterprise provide a safe, healthy, and legally compliant working environment for employees and visitors. By following these regulations, your business will benefit from reduced accidents, higher employee satisfaction, and a stronger reputation in the community. Thank you for your time. That's all for the presentation.
Thank you very much, Shane, for your informative and well-structured presentation.
Thank you.
It has
Thank you.
been insightful, and we truly appreciate the time and effort you put into explaining the importance of occupational safety and health legislation and how it applies to our business. As a company, D3F Enterprise is always looking to improve and ensure that we are meeting all legal requirements to create a safe and healthy environment for our employees and customers. We are hopeful that this presentation will serve as a catalyst for positive changes within our organization, especially in ensuring compliance with OSH standards. Moving forward, we aim to implement the recommendations shared today, enhance our safety policies, and make the necessary adjustment to ensure our operations are aligned with the latest legal requirements. Our goal is not only to meet regulatory standards, but also to create a workplace where our team feels valued, safe, and supported. Once again, thank you, Shane, for your
Thank
valuable
you.
insight. We
Thank
look
you.
forward to making meaningful progress in the future and creating an even safer, more efficient environment for everyone at D3F Enterprise. Thank you, Shane.
Thank you. Thank you once again, Madam Samantha and Madam Julita, for your time. With that, I end my presentation here. Thank you very much.